then I still got like the other work with it. Oh yeah, so I started working on installing these.
So I'm going to replace this.
They don't match, by the way.
What doesn't match?
Because I was mine with that. The trailer, these well lights.
Oh.
One's different than the other. Like the shape kind of is somewhat different.
Oh, I think I'll be okay with that.
Yeah.
If lights light up, I'm happy.
I don't think the horn works. Try it once.
Where is it?
That red button. Red button. Yeah,
nope.
I don't think it works.
Oh no!
Horns are for posers,
Alright, so where was that tear now? In that one spot?
There's one right here. This is kind of dry rotted kind of away.
Okay.
And then I got one back here from someone right here. Here's something loaded. Some countertop in here when I was going up to school. And they didn't put a towel down right here and here. So it kind of rubbed here and cut a little bit right there.
Okay. A little crack there.
Yeah, and the teak, oh yeah, there's no new ones up here. It sucks. Seats are in really good shape though for a 1980 something boat.
Yeah.
That teak right there you can see is cracked.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Which.
And it's all a little dry looking, but.
Huh?
And it's all a little dry looking, but you throw some oil on
it and it'll be fine. Just let you oil this and it'll look great.
All right.
That right there. Trying to figure something out about like duct tape, like taping it somehow or something because it rattles.
What does?
That one is broken back there.
Oh, that would?
Yeah, it can get rattly.
Out of there. Let's take a peek. New bilge, water separator.
So that's the other fun thing about owning boats too. Is
yeah, I know.
So looks pretty good there. Stuff this down there.
got a toe hook. This thing I need.
Looks good.
You got a place there? Or?
Yeah, cabin.
No, you're not going to find down.
Alright, so a little bit of rust there. A little bit of rust dripping from something. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. There's a little bit. A little bit of, just a touch of rust there. A little bit of pitting maybe. So what we got? A little bit of rust there. Do 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 da 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 da. Stuff it down in the hole. What ball?
You better drop that ball. You're not
Alright. floor. Little mark there. Little rip there. And that, the seats. Teeth. Oh, cracking that one. The rest of it looks dry, but it's fine. There's our teak. Again, a little dry, but whatever. It's an old boat.